Welcome back to the channel, good friends. Brian from Apex Detail. These PPF shorts that I have posted on the channel, mostly for the customers. They love seeing it, guys, and some of you do as well. I know these won't get a ton of views, but I like to go through the process with my customers and let them see what type of work goes into these jobs. So we're doing a full front PPF on a C7 Corvette. Preparation is going to be just like any other type of protection. You're going to do a full decon, your wash, clay, iron remover. You're going to do paint correction, at least a cleaner polish if there's no correction needed to get that surface naked and clean. The install is bulk on hoods, which means we just pull off the roll, cut it, and we customize the fit and cut and trim to perfect it and wrap around the edges, as Junior is right here. We let about a 1/4 inch hanging off the edges and the corners, wrap it around, and that will leave a seamless, clean install. We took the trim or the vents from the center of the hood and popped them out so we can tuck the film around and have a nice, clean install. Corvettes, C7s, C8s, really any Corvette, they're up there on the difficulty scale, maybe a 7 or an 8. So we work as a team to help make sure everything's lined up. We'll pull the pattern right off of the backing after wetting it so the adhesive leaves it go rather quickly. Then we get it to the panel as quick as possible. You guys have seen a tent floating around the shop. Well, we have that tent in the shop for many reasons. First of all, it provides a source of light, as we have a light on just about every beam under the tent. The second thing it does is it gives us a secondary clean room within the shop. You want to keep dust particles, felt, fibers, hairs away from the surface. Our shop manager, unfortunately, has to hang around the front of the building in the office. We do not want her hairs getting under the film. So a clean install really involves a lot of different factors, and that includes blowing out the nozzles of all of your spray guns, the spray tanks, to make sure the nozzles are not forcing out any type of debris from the shampoo, because we have to use what is called a tack solution and a slip solution. Slip solutions are a mixture of baby shampoo, and that helps to float the film on top so we can adjust the film so the adhesive doesn't grab onto the surface and keep us from moving the film. If we do that and we move the film, it will distort the adhesive underneath, causing lines, and you have to rip it up and start over again. The second solution is called a tack solution, and that helps us to really slip out the water and the slip solution out of there so the adhesive can make contact, like right here on the edges, and it sticks, it stays down, and that's how you anchor the film. This is the complete front, full front, including headlights. We also did the lower rockers and the lower doors and the mirrors, and this will protect everything flying up in front of the vehicle and from its own tires as well. This stuff truly does stop rock chips, guys. It's the ultimate protection against rock chips, and I highly recommend. Thank you for riding along today. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.